Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we've got our 2024 Ford Ranger here in the shop, and we're going to be showing you how to install some custom fit chip on board LED accent lighting here on both the driver and passenger side vents. It looks fantastic, the installation is easy, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. The first thing that we're going to do is remove our side vent from the truck itself. And we're going to be utilizing one of the tools from the F150 LEDs Easy Installation Toolkit. It makes it really easy to remove this side vent. But if you don't have access to this tool, you can carefully use a flathead screwdriver and a towel. Just make sure you don't scratch any paint. These are the compression tabs holding the vent in place. Next, we need to add a 7/16 hole here at the top. This opening will allow us to run the wiring out the top. Next, align your side vent, making sure that you have the correct one. There is a left and right. Once you verify fitment, we're going to run our wiring through the hole that we just made. Once we've got the majority of the wire fed through, just make sure that you've got the red side facing up. And we're going to press our thermal sheath black connector there through the opening and begin pushing our side vent light under the side vent cover. So you'll just pull up on that top cover that's got the, in this case, STX logo. And that's going to allow you to position the light inside the housing. There is gel adhesive, but in this application, you really don't need it. On the back, just make sure you've got a little bit of fed through so it can go horizontal. Now we can feed our wiring up through our opening here into the engine bay by reaching through. Carefully pull it through, and then we'll be able to push our side vent cover back onto the truck. For today's installation, we're going to be tapping into this side marker light. So again, taking a tool from the Easy Installation Toolkit, you can just pry on the edges of this side marker, and then you'll be able to pull it firmly away from the truck, just like so. We're going to be feeding our wires down to that side marker light. In this case, I've twisted the wires together, and this is the location where the wire will be going down on the right side of that white steel beam. Once the wire is fed down, you'll be able to pull it through our side marker opening. Now we can take our wire, untwist it, and use our easy T-tap connectors to connect to the ground and power here on our side marker light. These T-taps are extremely easy to use. You just put your single side here on the single side of the T-tap, and then apply pressure down until you hear a click. It's easiest with a set of pliers here. We'll repeat for the ground wire, which is the black wire. Now we're ready to connect to the power and ground wire of the side marker light. First, I'm going to connect the red power wire to the white wire here. Your truck's wire color may differ, but you'll always have the black wire or a wire with black indicating your ground. And now we'll connect our black ground to the black of the truck's harness. And apply pressure on the end until we hear a click. And that's it. Now we're connected for power to the side marker light. So clean up any extra wiring, carefully push it into this assembly well here, and then we'll be able to push our side marker light back in. Make sure it firmly pops into place, and we'll be done. So that's all there is to installing the F150 LED side vent lighting kit here on your 2024 and up Ford Ranger. It's an excellent upgrade. We guarantee you're going to love it. It's going to help your Ranger stand out and shine brighter for sure. You can check out all of our custom LED lighting products for your Ranger right now at F150LEDs.com. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube below and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150LEDs. We truly appreciate your support and can't wait to see you soon at F150LEDs.com. Thanks guys.